Huh?
All right, this is the part of Stanton from our parking lot because it is major hot. It's beautiful, beautiful. Look at these older buildings and behind. All right, we are gonna check out just a little bit of Stanton. I got cooled down a little bit in there, did you?
Yeah.
Thank goodness for visitor centers. They are the best thing in these towns that we visit. Look at that, another alleyway. Does a car fit through there? It's a good sign. Except for the coffee. I'll take a Pepsi or a Dr. Pepper. I see an old theater down there. They had this street closed off. She said it was a COVID thing, but they kept it up on certain days. Look at that. This town is beautiful. Finally made it out of the car show. Now we are in downtown Stanton. We finally found it. Won't have as much time to spend as we did in Bristol, but gonna try to catch the highlights. If you've never been, it is amazingly beautiful. Beautiful. And the car show was pretty awesome too. Anyways, hope you're having a good day. I'll see you later in the video. It is hot and humid. I brought the Georgia humidity with me. Who knew? Bye. I was sitting here on the bench resting in front of Opal's baby store. And look at the name of this bookstore. Words matter. They really do. I'm gonna get a shot of this town. Part that the street's closed off. That is impressive architecture. That is one old building. I think they're all old though, right?
Yeah.
Impressive buildings. Once upon a time clock shop. Does Ripple Still Skin still run that? If you know the show, let me know. It's in the title. I'm on the last block that's closed off. Hey, Hubs. It's 3 o'clock. Whoa. It's playing a song. This is the one that was playing the bells. It's a church. It's old cemetery. Very old and creepy. Like Haunted Mansion Disney look. saw her from a street over or two. The other truck. We climbed to the top of the hill because we kept hearing a train, and they are loading the train. We are up here at the train depot, and there's a shot of town where we've been. And the back street. Look at how that curves. This is across the street from where we park, and it is built into that roadway. I don't know if it goes in and under it and it's cool, or if it's that thin of a barbershop, but it's cool.